Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can export your videos in a 4K quality. So either select a video or import a video. I have just selected a video from the stock video that CapCut has given, sorry. You can go to adjustments here and you can basically scroll down and sharpen your video first if you'd like to, just a little bit. Maybe add in a little bit of brightness and contrast to it. Once you're done, I think I'm just going to add a little bit of saturation. Once you're done, select the export button in here. Oh, okay, I can't because this is just the material from CapCut. I'll just export my own video here. Select the export button here, and once you go to resolution, make sure you selected the 4K resolution one and make sure you've selected the correct frame rate, and you can also select a higher bit rate. Then you're going to export and your video will be in 4K. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!